Hello everyone, welcome back to Upgrowth. A senior executive coach with 3,500 LinkedIn followers is posting twice a week and generating 3 inbound leads a month, moving to 5 posts a week, same audience, same content quality, projects 11 leads a month and rupees 38 lakh in additional annual revenue. So this simulator shows you what your current posting cadence is actually costing you. This is the personal authority growth simulator by Upgrowth. It is built for solo executive coaches, fractional advisors, and senior consultants who want to translate their LinkedIn content cadence into a measurable revenue projection. So just 8 inputs, one simulate growth button, and you get your current revenue, projected leads, projected annual revenue, follower growth at 6 months, and the annual revenue lift sitting on the table at your target cadence. So let's walk through the calculator with a simple example. First input is current LinkedIn followers is nothing but your total follower count today, and post per week is how many times you post on LinkedIn right now. Average impression per post is a typical reach your post receive, and average engagement rate percent is a percentage of impression that results in likes, comments, or shares, and inbound leads per month. Current is how many qualified inbound inquiries your LinkedIn presence is generating right now, and average engagement value in INR is the average revenue value of a client engagement you close from LinkedIn, and lead to client conversion percent is the percentage of inbound leads you convert into paying clients, and target post per week is the cadence you want to model. So let's hit on simulate growth. So here is the full authority economic output. First is current monthly revenue based on 3 leads a month at 20% conversion, and rupees 2 lakh per engagement is rupees 1 lakh 20,000, and current annual revenue is 14 lakh 40,000. At 5 posts per week, projected leads per month jump to 11. Projected monthly revenue becomes rupees 4 lakh 40,000, and projected annual revenue reaches 52 lakh 80,000. And annual revenue lift from moving from 2 posts to 5 posts per week is rupees 38 lakh 40,000, and your projected followers at 6 months climb to 7,637, and effective lead conversion rate remains at 20%, meaning the quality of your pipeline holds, the volume is what changes. The cadence verdict from the tool is important. Below 3 posts a week, the LinkedIn algorithm does not learn your audience and reach stays compressed. Most senior advisors with genuine corporate authority leave 2 to 3 times their current revenue on the table simply by underposting. So as of 2026, Indian LinkedIn CPC ranges from 150 to rupees 150 to rupees 650 with a median of rupees 320. For senior advisors who already have warm reach and a credible audience, organic LinkedIn distribution is structurally cheaper than paid, but only if the cadence is consistent enough for the algorithm to compound it. So this simulator makes that math visible. Rupees 38 lakhs in annual revenue lift from 3 additional posts a week is not a content marketing promise. It is an arithmetic output of reach, leads, conversion, and engagement value that you can verify with your own numbers before changing a single thing about your strategy. So run this with your own follower count and engagement numbers before your next content planning session. The link is in the description. And if you have built corporate authority but your LinkedIn inbound is still thin, Upgrowth builds content engines that turn the authority into qualified pipeline. You can book a discovery call with us right below. We can help you out. Thank you.